like, but that's the thing, like, people that have like, meeting. Get that? Sorry, I love you.
Was at that time a forested marsh on the shores of Lake Michigan, where Chicago began. Now, we are going to talk about a lot of architecture today. Before I get into that, I wanted to reiterate an important couple points from the captain's safety speech. They are: do not stand on any benches or seats, and don't sit or climb on the railings around the side of the boat either. All that goes for the benches in the back too. Don't stand on any benches or seats. With that, let's get going. Here to our right, towering above the river, is a very tall glass tower. That's the second tallest building in the city of Chicago. It's the Trump International Hotel and Tower. It was finished in 2009, designed by Skidmore, Owings and Merrill Architects. Now, second tallest in the city, 1,388 feet tall, which is 423 meters, and it has 101 stories. In addition, the different roof levels on that building are meant to be the same height as its neighbors. The lowest roof is the same height as the Wrigley building behind us, and the second highest roof is the same height as this dark rectangular building ahead of us to the right. Those roof levels are designed to provide some continuity with its older neighbors in the skyline. Now, after this bridge to our right, this dark rectangular building is the American Medical Association Plaza. It's from 1973 by Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. Now, Mies van der Rohe was a pioneer in this style of architecture, defined with dark steel, rectangular patterns, and minimal ornamentation. That's called international style today. Now, Mies van der Rohe's philosophy behind designing these rectangular buildings was that architects should focus on creating useful, practical interiors instead of focusing on making the outside walls ornate. He showcased that with these rectangular buildings and minimal ornamentation. That's called international style today. Now, Mies van der Rohe was actually a professor at the Illinois Institute of Technology, and not all his students liked rectangles as much as he did. Here on our right side These two circular buildings are Marina City. Marina City Towers went up in the 1960s, and they were Bertrand Goldberg was the lead architect. Goldberg was inspired by nature. He said there are no right angles in nature. He wanted to build round, natural shapes for humans to live in. Now, when Marina City went up in the 60s, no one really lived in downtown Chicago. Look right above us at this parking ramp right there off our right side. So, in Marina City, in the 1960s, no one really lived in downtown Chicago. So in order to entice residents, Goldberg filled that complex with a ton of amenities. It had its own grocery store, movie theater, bowling alley, skating rink, the marina on the river, and those two spiral parking ramps we sailed underneath. Now, having seen those parking ramps on Marina City, you might have gotten nervous imagining cars falling right off and into the river. Don't worry though, that's only happened twice. That's true, but the whole truth is that it's never happened on accident or because of foul play. Both times were stunts. Once for Steve McQueen's last movie, The Hunter, and the other for an auto insurance commercial. Now, after this next bridge on the right, this brick building coming up is the Reed Murdoch Center. This brick building on our right side, the Reed Murdoch Center, is from 1914, designed by George Nimitz to be a grocery warehouse. 100 years ago, this river was our port. Ships would come in from the lake and dock at warehouses like this to load and unload goods. Now, it's a mixed-use office building today, no longer a warehouse. We do still have a commercial port in Chicago, though. The Great Lakes are still watch the slide. Make some noise, y'all. Clap. Everybody clap. We got my man AJ, the street ninja. You know he's good because he's black. Here we go. Watch him. Whoa. Yeah. Here we go. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Go AJ. Go AJ. Ladies, he's single with 5 kids. Call him. When he does this, make a whole lot of noise. Watch this. Scream! Oh yeah. Nice and flip. Make some noise for him.
बैठ के बनाया गया है आज
photo with you.
Are you sending money to Abid?
मुझे याद क्या है वो क्या लिखा है मैं
Y'all ready? Y'all ready? All right, 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 right. Yeah. Because I know some of y'all not going to church in the morning. So, with the last 30 seconds of 2022, find your nearest boo, your child, your mother, whoever's next to you. Give them a big old hug because I never speak to you. Everyone, I'm not singing them hugs. More hugs. Can we count down together at 50, please? Can we?